Okay, I have a huge gaming moment. So basically, I'm going to take eevee, right? It learns bite at level 30, which is a special attack, and Jolteon learns Jolteon learns double kick basically at level 30. So what I'm trying to do is get eevee with the nature rash or something. Wait, what is this? I mean, rash or mild. I think I'll go with mild or something so that I can just. And now we save here, and now we keep soft resetting. I mean, not like this, but wait. File, save state, boom, and now we take E. No, what is the nature of my EV? Careful, nah, bro. We don't need careful. Just remember the stats, okay? I need high special attack. So load series is F10. Okay, I'll just press F10. It's F10. Okay. Wait, no. Set. Enter. Enter. Pokemon. Ui. These are. Whoa, these are extremely good stats. Wait. I don't know if I'm tripping, but these are extremely good stats. But I don't want timid. I want something. Yeah, just remember everything is 30 plus. Wow. Amazing stats. This was amazing. Amazing. Wait, F10. F10. Enter. Let's see if this one is better than the previous or not. Mild. Oh, this has shit stats. But it has amazing attack. Wait, how does mild have this much attack? Bro, you know what? We'll take this. I don't have enough time for soft resetting. We are gonna take this EV. We will leave this household and we are going to buy a thunderstone. But first we need bite attack. Get this thunderstone. Okay, never mind. We'll take EV ASAP. Pokemon. EV bro, come on. Shift tab, enter, X switch. Shift enter, okay, cool. I cannot fucking play this game. It only has quick attack. Because, I don't know. Half of my commentary, I don't know. Just I don't know. Come on, bro. Let's do this. Yes. EV. Nice. Bro. I think I have potion. I have. Only one attacking move. That's it. Shit. Nice. Quick attack is all you need. Shit. Not die to this stupid ass battle. Thank you. It's not getting special attack plus at all. Oh yeah, I will be losing precious points. Extreme butterfly. It's okay. We need the bite move for Jolteon. Anyways, let's go here. Oh shit, I did not heal. I did not heal. I may die. We needs this so shit. I hope it's yeah. Oh my god, Raticate, do not kill me. Fucking hell. I hate you, Raticate. I think this is yeah, grinding EV level 30. Bro, what's happening outside? Okay, I'm literally locked in. I want this. Shit, I cannot do this with. If only Umbreon was in this game. What is this? I'm locked in, guys. I'm locked in. How do you? Where do you go? Is it here? I'm gonna go here because I need the item. Yeah, super potion, fantastic. And now, okay, now we get out. Where the hell? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Nice. Bro, this EV is actually quite good, but it's getting annihilated by those Raticates. Bro, like, I'm doing too much damage to my doggy. Oh, Miyat got something. Miyat got something. Shift tab. Oh, bro, Oranberry is so dead. Do not disable, please. It's only attacking you. Bro, stop with this coffin. I don't think I can survive. Shit. Why is Eevee so? I'm literally using everything on this guy. I do not have healing items. 10 HP, 30 HP. Bro, I am on berries. Oh, I had a hyper potion. Um, shit, I should have gone down here first. Oh no, Macho. Fucking hell. All of that grind just with one hit from Macho. I need the things, bro. Frustration. Um, Actually, this game is not frustrating unless you encounter a Clefairy or something. Clefairy is frustrating. Wait, how much time is it? I okay, I'll stop there. I'll stop there. Stop.